Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back. We are so excited to welcome our students back home. We wanted to make sure that everybody understood what and how they can log on to our workshops for tomorrow. So I wanted to take a couple of minutes and walk you through the steps just in case you needed a little bit more help with it. So on the email that was sent by myself, and I'll send another one as a reminder, today we have your orientation. I took out Wednesday's schedule, so we're going to take a look at Thursday's schedule. And we're just going to take a look at the 6th grade schedule. The 7th and 8th grade are very similar. So tomorrow morning, everyone, all students will sign in for 8:30. I kind of suggest that you might want to try to sign in a little earlier so that this way, in case there's traffic, you can definitely get in. Your homeroom teachers will be taking attendance and you will be getting some information, announcements, and doing a quick little activity with your homeroom teacher. And the link for your homeroom, you're going to use the same link as earlier today. So if I was in class 601 and I had Miss Silvestri for homeroom, I would click on this link in order to go into the meeting. Let's go back and take a look one more time at our agenda. So again, if I'm a 6th grader, and let's say I'm remote, I am staying home, I'm going to log in at 9:30, and I'm going to go to a Google Classroom Setup Workshop with Ms. DeLindick. And during that time, you'll be able to ask questions about the Google Classroom and make sure you understand the ins and outs. She's especially going to go over how to complete assignments in Google Classroom and make sure you submit them properly. So don't miss that one. If you are not in a remote class during that time, you have a break, okay? Please make sure you take a look at the times on the schedule. As you can see, for each of the blocks, it might say remote, so the whole entire block is for the remote students to attend, or it might be broken up into smaller time frames. So for example, in this section, at 10:15, all of the blended 6th grade homerooms are going to log in at 10:15 for this meeting. At 10:35, the remote sections are going to log in. And again, where you find those links is in the list from earlier today. So as you can see in the big information, you'll see 6th grade blended homerooms. When you have a meeting, that's the link that you use. I hope this helps clear up some of the confusion that some students might have. I also want to make sure real quick that you know about our school website and where to find information. We also put on our school website, which is ms158q.com, our welcome back address from Mr. McHugh, our welcome back video from our teachers, and in our frequently asked questions, there's lots of answers to all those questions that you might have. So I highly suggest you click the Read More button. You can either read it directly here on the computer, or if you scroll down to the end of this section, you will see that there is a PDF version. If you click here, it says Welcome Marie Curie, and that's going to take you to the PDF version of it. It's a little nicer, a little easier to read, so take a look at that. One of the last things I want to show you, if you're having a hard time still logging into your information on your New York City student account, it's that nycstudents.net account. Please scroll all the way down to page 5. How do I get the emails from school? You're going to click on this link and it's going to bring you directly to the information step by step for what you have to do. Activating your student account with your ID and password. There's a video tutorial here for you. And as you can also see, accessing student Gmail accounts. It gives you all the information you need. I hope this was helpful, everyone. We can't wait to see you tomorrow for all of your orientation. We hope you have a great night with your families.